Well, Debbie was a little bit of an underachiever, to say the least, as far as the rainfall goes. Here in Albany, nothing. Not a measurable hundredth of an inch of rain from Debbie. Now, we did have some healthy rain totals. Was it the 12, 15 inches of rain? No, the most we see is about 7 inches in Eccles County, and then it went to 1 inch along Highway 319. Now, the winds were forecast much better. We had a 40-mile-an-hour wind gust here in Albany, which is a little bit higher than we expected, and then 55-mile-an-hour wind gust in Valdosta. Hey, even a blind squirrel finds a nut sometimes as we hit that right on the head. All right, let's talk about our forecast now. We're still dealing with breezy conditions. That part of the forecast hasn't changed. We're going to see some clouds, too. There will be some rain showers continuing, especially along I-75 eastward, as Debbie works its way off the coast of Georgia later on this afternoon. We'll start off in the upper 70s, rather muggy. That wind keeps things mixed and keeps things pretty mild to muggy. We'll be in the low 80s. It's going to heat up today. We'll be in the low 90s. Heat index values just over 100, so the heat is back up across the area and the winds are up. There's no doubt about that. Still seeing 35, 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts in our eastern communities, but even here in Albany we'll get to about 30 miles per hour. So it'll be breezy to windy east or west to east across the area, and you can see the winds don't relax until after 4 p.m. this afternoon. And then we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies, 88 to 82. We'll start the morning tomorrow at 75 muggy degrees, partly cloudy, northwest winds about 10 miles per hour. So there is Debbie. And again, there still could be some rain, mainly east of I-75 today. You can see that Debbie does come off the coast for a little bit and then works its way back into the Carolinas. This, again, could be a much more prolific rainmaker for the coast of Georgia and the Carolinas because it's a slow crawl across their area. And again, the winds will be the story today, and the heat will be the story tomorrow, as we're going to pump up the temperature. So you have air rising here, you have air sinking on the backside, and that's called compressional heating. That's a big thing that happens out west when you have winds coming down a mountain. You heard of the Santa Ana winds? That's what happens. So we're going to heat it up. Now, will it be super humid? It's going to be relatively typical humidity, so the heat index numbers will reach 105, but the heat will be on. Now, what is this strange-looking line with blue triangles coming? Oh, no, it stalls. Or does it? Here it comes back at us. Now, initially, this is going to help bring in some rain chances, but this is the one I'm talking about. This is going to bring a big cool down to parts of the south. There may be some 50s in northern Alabama. 50s in the month of August. Will we get a taste of it? I think we get a little nibble. That's about what we'll get, but we'll take whatever we can, right? Breezy hotter today, 75 to 96. Tomorrow, I should say, and then 75 to 93 on Thursday, 40% chance showers and storms on Friday, 76 to 92, 30% chance on Saturday, 75 to 94. It will be less humid by Sunday, so it does move in. Looks like that front is going to move in, and it could take our temperatures down into the 60s in the morning. Will we see it? We'll take a look at it on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. Of course, we'll see you then.